Hey YouTube, this is Warren Marshall. I wanted to touch base because it's been a little while since I made a video, but there's been some reasons for that. Let's see, the primary one is that my wife and I moved house. In fact, we moved cities. We moved from Raleigh, North Carolina to Wilmington, North Carolina. It's always been, a bucket list item of mine to live near the coast. And this location puts us, within 9 miles of the beach and within a couple of blocks of the Riverwalk. So this seems like an ideal location for me. And it's high enough on a hill that it assuages my wife's fears about floods and hurricanes and that kind of stuff, hurricane damage. So anyway, I think we're in a good spot. This is the new house that I'm recording in right now. We're all set up. It's this room is interesting because I like the lighting a little better. I don't love the sound acoustics, but outside of getting those panels up again and all that, I don't really think that's addressable. But I think it sounds good enough for now, so I'm just gonna roll ahead with this. The other thing that ate up a bunch of my time was Siggraph 2019. I jumped back on Twitter just briefly before Siggraph, to try it out again, see if I wanted to use it now. And I was posting some updates there about the, my travel to Siggraph and stuff, but I got sucked back into the same cycle of news and scrolling. So I deleted my account again. Yay. So anyway, Siggraph went really well. I was there with the Foundry. I was giving a talk about, Moto and, why I chose Moto and why I stayed with Moto and that kind of stuff. I think they're going to have that online hopefully soon, so I'll share it here on the channel when they do. I'll put a post in the community section or something about it, or subscribe to the Foundry. It's a good channel for Moto news, obviously. It was really cool to meet a bunch of people that I've only known online since I started freelancing. William Bond, Shane Griffith, Matt Cox, I met Greg Brown. Lots of great Foundry people. I met some people from the Discord. I met a bunch of people who know my videos online. That was a lot of fun. I got some not weird, but some looks from people. Like, it's interesting because I do these videos online and I've been doing them for years. And people have watched me and heard me and know my voice, know my face, and they see me in person and they feel like we have a relationship, but I have no idea who they are. So you get these looks, like they're kind of looking at me like, they're expecting me to be like, oh, hey, blah, blah, blah. Hey, I don't know who you are. It's on you to say hi to me, just for the record. But yeah, that was a lot of fun. I got to meet people who told me that they liked the channel, they liked the format, and I even had a couple of people tell me that they like how I keep changing everything up. There's a green screen, then there's not, and then there's sound panels, and then there's not, and then there's different camera setups and different, whatever. To me, it feels like a bit of a tangled mess, but to them, it actually works really well. So that's good. I'm glad, because we're probably going to do a lot more of that going forward. I'm constantly experimenting, trying to figure out how to make my videos better. It's almost like a side hobby at this point. But anyway, Siggraph was good. The talk went really well. I was pretty stressed about it, to be honest. It was really weighing on me, and I practiced that talk probably 40 times. I had it just about memorized, but I still used my notes when I got up on stage because I was still nervous about it. People said they couldn't tell that I was nervous, which is great, but yeah, trust me, my heart was going 100 beats a minute. But yeah, it was a great experience because now I can say that I've done that. I've spoken at Siggraph, so that's pretty awesome. Hopefully one day I can do that at GDC as well. And I guess that's all I have to say about Siggraph. That was quite an experience. So I was doing that as we were closing on the house, and then when I got back from Siggraph, we moved like 2 days later. So yeah, that was a bit hectic. As far as videos go, yes, I have plans to do more. And now that we're settled in the house, Well, we're not completely settled. I mean, we've got some family travel and stuff, coming up for the next couple of weeks. But my plan is to get back into a video cadence again, where I can do semi-regular content. So yeah, look forward to that. I won't say specifically what I'm going to plan on doing because every time I do that, it falls apart. It seems to be like a universal magnet. Like as soon as I announce to the world, "Hey, I'm going to do these videos," like a ton of work will fall on me, or I'll get a whole bunch of new opportunities that I can't pass up, and that kind of thing, and then all my time gets eaten away. So suffice to say, new videos are planned, new videos are wanted, and I'm going to work on it. So anyway, I will try to post more to the community section as I have things to say. And thanks for listening. Oh, interestingly, at Siggraph, somebody, two people in fact, told me that they really like those Sunday Fun Day videos I do, where I just run some B-roll and then I talk about whatever, inspiration or focus or just getting started, that kind of stuff. So expect to see more of those in the future too. If you hate those, sorry, but you can always ignore them, right? So now I really am going to let you go. Thanks for listening, and I hope to see you soon.